In this video, you will learn how to write survey report of geography. Here I am showing you report on social, economic and cultural practices of a village in Haryana. Here is how to write a survey report. For the survey report, first is the structure. In structure, you need to write the purpose or aim of the report and when and how you have collected the information for the report. Next is the main body of the report, in which you have to write down the information you have collected and the analyzed information. For this, you can use graphs, charts, and tables, etc. Next is the conclusion. In the conclusion, you have to write down the result, what you have found in the report. You can use present tense or reported speech for the report, and you can use the phrasal verbs and like claim, state, report, agree, complain, etc. For the report, you need to write the result in percentage or proportion, like 1 in 4, 6 out of 10. In percentage, 25% of the people are questioned, 65% of those filled the questionnaire. I am giving you some language hints to write the report. For the introduction, you can write the purpose, aim of the report, or this survey was carried out, conducted by means of, etc. For the generalization, you can write in general, generally, on the whole, etc. For the reference, you can write down the fact is that, in fact, in practice, etc. For the conclusion, you can write down in conclusion, to sum up, all in all, etc. Next, I am showing you a sample report where first is the contents which I have used in the report. Next is a list of tables. You can see the tables which I have used for the report. Next, you can see list of figures which I have used for the report. Next is glossary. Introduction of the report. Introduction you can write down in your own words. Next is the details of the report. You can use tables, maps, graphs, whatever you want. This is the sample report, so don't try to copy it. Make your own report. This is just for your help. Please go through the whole report so that you can learn properly. hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos, subscribe the channel.